fiercest defenders of the Affordable Care Act now tapped to lead the Department of Health and Human Services.
We need the ACA more than ever. Under the president's watch, no country has done worse than ours. But just as vigorously as the president and his administration are fighting to destroy the Affordable Care Act, we are fighting to save it for every American.
He may not have a medical background, but California's Attorney General Xavier Becerra will be tasked with expanding the ACA into what the president-elect has dubbed Biden Care. So is politics taking precedence over the pandemic? Healthcare expert Seth Denson joins me now. Seth, is the best person to lead HHS really somebody whose only medical experience is being a cheerleader for the ACA?
Yeah, I've certainly got my concerns, and this is a drastic shift from what we saw in the Trump administration, where Alex Azar, who wasn't a doctor either, but he did run a pharmaceutical company and understand the inner workings of that. And I think, to his credit, we're seeing vaccines in large part because of HHS's efforts. I do have some concerns about Becerra and his lack of understanding of the healthcare world, especially given the pandemic that we're in.
Yeah, meantime, here's a tweet from the Attorney General Becerra on his nomination. He tweets, in Congress, I helped pass the Affordable Care Act. As California's Attorney General, I defended it. As Secretary of Health and Human Services, I will build on our progress and ensure every American has access to quality, affordable health care through this pandemic and beyond. Really only one mention of the pandemic there. In light of that tweet, where he really doubled down, tripled down on the ACA, should Americans be confident in what he is going to do in response to the pandemic, specifically the vaccine rollout that will potentially occur during his time as HHS Secretary?
Well, I think we can be confident that his primary focus is going to be the expansion of Obamacare into what will now be called Biden Care. That's what he has built his career on, both voting for it in the 111th Congress and then defending it as Attorney General of California. But our biggest challenge facing our country right now, our biggest threat, is this pandemic. It's the execution of Operation Warp Speed to get most of our citizens inoculated so that we can move past this.
Time we have remaining, not a lot of senators seem like they're on board with this, including Senator Tom Cotton. He slammed the nomination. We're going to put the tweet up on the screen, basically saying, look, I'm not going to vote for this guy. So do you see Becerra ultimately getting confirmed by the Senate?
Yeah, probably. I mean, listen, this is a Washington insider who knows his way around D.C. He probably does get confirmed. But now more than ever, the focus should be on what's going on down in Georgia, because the expansion of the Affordable Care Act into a public option and a massive government takeover of health care hinges on what happens down in Georgia.
All eyes on Georgia, no matter the segment. It just shows how important that runoff is going to be. Seth Denson, we appreciate your time as always. Thank you very much.